Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm not driving, I'm just chilling. I'm actually in the rural areas. I'm enjoying a sunset. It's something that we normally take for granted, you know. We take it for granted because we just think it will rise tomorrow, and we think it will set later tonight. But do we really take time to pay attention to the beauty and the spectacle that we have in front of us? It's really about this simplicity in rural life.
Birds be singing in the morning, drums be singing in the night, but I won't hear them singing anymore, 'cause I'll be gone. Ooh.
There's a peace that city life can never buy. There's a rhythm out here that no Wi-Fi signal can actually stream. You hear it. You hear it kana jongwe richikukurudza makuseni paya. Kana uchiona chiutsi from your mother's kitchen, you know, chifungaira makuseni aya. And the world feels it. It is so innocent. Well, you can chase money across oceans where you are in the diaspora, but there is something about rural life that calls you back, not because of comfort, but because of belonging. This is not just nostalgia, it's memory. It's who we are as a people, as Africans, as Zimbabweans. In the rural areas, makuseni ega unotounzwa kuti there's a language that is going on. Unotanga neiro rijongera nanchataura riri nokukurudza makuseni rera. Kazhinji kacho rarira. You can also estimate time. Immediately, Papo, you understand that the world must wake up. Then oterwa nema wooden pesos achi panze vana mai vachitswa so vachitswa muduri vachigadzirira mbuva dzevana dzemakuseni. You see, there's no alarm clock out here. Only the smell of dew in the morning. Unonzwa vana vachitamba from a distance. Vachiseka. Ukabuda ukatarisa panze unoona vamwe vachigeza kumeso vakabata tumabasini twesimbi. I hope some of you still remember this. And the whistle of your father sometimes, uchinzwa mombe dzichisunungurwa. In the city, guys, we call it routine. But back here in the rural area, it is life itself. It is balance. It is the reminder that the sun rises not for the rich or the poor, but then the sun rises for everyone. There's something, of course, very clean about the rural area. You know, something different. Chibofunga chikafu chinobikwa nemoto just doesn't fill your stomach. It kind of fills your soul, you know. Sadza from freshly ground maize, nemfushwa. They got fresh vegetable kachangobva mubindu. Mugaiwa unoziva guys. Imagine beans dzichibva mukagarden kako. And kagarden kako akambofaka kanzi ka project. Kudya fresh vegetables from your garden is never dubbed a project, but it's a way of survival. Ko chibage chakagochwa cheparod, muchachiziva here guys? Kana kuti misikanzo yataita yekuenda kunoba mengo panext door togowana nemabhururu as a prize of musataure vakomana. Misikanzo yevana vadiki tichinda kunoba mango panext door chigowana. Today we eat processed meals in the city, post them online, but deep down we know no restaurant can ever serve the love that used to simmer. Muchamaziva here black pots ayaye makango aibikiswa pamoto black. Back then nobody had much, but nobody was truly alone. If a neighbor built a house, everyone can come to the house. If there was a funeral, the whole village became one at heart in mourning. When a child was born, everyone smiled like it was their own. There is no need for WhatsApp groups, Kumamisha, because community kumusha is not virtual, it is visible. We didn't need security guards, Kumamisha. Our security was love. We didn't need a lot of counseling. We had storytelling. We didn't need therapy. We had each other. And in the evenings, zuwa richinyura like this, taigara pamoto, takatenderedza. Nyaya dzichitaurwa, stories that reminded us kuti patike zvinezvi shamwari. We scroll through screens in silence. Takangogara, nishamwari but amusingataudzani. In the rural areas, guys, life is not in a hurry. We don't have traffic jams out here. No meetings, no deadlines, only time. Gentle and patient, like the hands of your grandmother vachiruka. Mucharemembere vachiruka. We measure life not in hours, but in seasons, in harvests. The fields will teach us to be patient. The rains teach us how to have faith. And yet, that slow rhythm we once called backward was actually wisdom. Because Onaiga, guys, maybe progress is not about speed. Maybe it's about peace. What do you think? You never forget the smell of rain, the first rains after a long dry season. You'll never forget that. That scent of soil waking up, the laughter of children running bare feet in muddy puddles, guys. The voices of elders, you remember that? It wasn't just rain, brothers and sisters. It was hope falling from the sky. It was promise that even after hardship, you would have hope that life begins again. Sometimes I wonder, maybe we didn't leave the village. Maybe the village still lives in us, quietly beating in the background of our busy lives. Because the truth is, we miss the simplicity that once held us together. We miss the names of our sound from across the field over there. We miss belonging, guys. We thought we were chasing better life by going out to the city and the diaspora, but maybe, just maybe we already had it that time. And you are watching this right now, wherever you are. Do this for me. Close your eyes. Can you hear vanamai vachiimba pasi pemuti vachiita mukando dzavo? Can you see your grandmother smile? Can you smell the firewood smoke curling kachituka kachienda mudenga? Can you see it? That's not just memory, my friend. That's home calling you by your name. Don't forget the soil that raised you. Because however far the river flows, it will never forget the source. And this is it, guys. And this is it. Kana wabatwa nevideo rineri chakumbira undiisirawo like ndokukumbira zvakare kuti ushare video rineri kunana Facebook, kunana kunana Instagram ikoko kana zvichibuda. And thank you very much for growing this channel. I really, really appreciate you guys. Until we meet again in the next video. Until we meet again in the next vlog. Nothing beats this beauty. Kiripo mai makasimbere. Makasimbere baba. Kiripo. Ese anazungumzia